Hi folks, welcome back. So today we're going to be unpacking a mystery package that came in the post. So it was supposed to be an unboxing video, but really I got this flimsy bag and I'm pretty scared given what it should contain, as you'll soon find out. So let's just get on with it and see what's inside and if it survived intact. So let me get my scissors and I'll just cut it open. Nothing can go wrong with that. Okay, maybe I can cut it open. So let's try removing these metal pins. Maybe that will work. Yep, seems to be working. I'm doing just fine, just fine. Okay, and I will just tear it open. Yep, doing good job. Hey, don't laugh. Really, this is not so easy doing on camera as you might think. Okay, making progress. Great, so what's inside? Let me see. Oh, it's a floppy disk. But mind you, this is not an ordinary floppy disk. There's more than one actually, so you've got several. And this is not your standard fare 3.5 inch floppy. This is the CF2 or compact floppy format championed by Amstrad. So they used them in their Spectrum Plus 3 and CPC line of computers, and it was also used in a couple of other machines. And these were pretty rare even in the days. I never had one, but my friend used those in his Schneider CPC computer. So I'm not really experienced with these. You can see they come in these nice caddies, either paper or plastic. And they've got this little window where you can see a shiny surface, and I thought this was the actual recording surface. So I was pretty scared because it looks filthy and scratched. So I couldn't really believe it, and so I kept looking at it and looking at it. How could this be? I mean, this surely won't work. But then I found out what the problem was. So this actually isn't the recording surface. So you see, this is not the recording surface. On the side of the disk there is a small lever here, and when you insert it into the drive it opens up a protective metal plate similar to what you might get on a 3.5 inch floppy. So yeah, these might still be good disks, so hopefully they will work. I'm really looking forward to trying it out as soon as I have a drive to match them. Okay, so I want to do a little comparison. So wait, what's this doing here? Rubbish. Okay, this is a standard 5.25 inch IBM floppy. This is a 3.5 inch compact floppy. And here's is the Amstrad CF2. You can see it's a little bit different. Alright folks, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this little video. And bye, and see you soon.